Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to use commas to avoid confusion. Commas are used to indicate a pause in a sentence, separate items in a list, and separate parts of a sentence. They help avoid confusion and misinterpretation. Now, let us see some examples. First, let's eat grandpa. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests eating grandpa. Now, read the sentence again with a comma. That is, place a comma after let's eat and read the sentence again. Let's eat grandpa. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests you are inviting your grandfather to eat together. See, the above sentence without a comma meant eating your grandfather, but after placing a comma, the whole meaning of the sentence is changed. It meant you are inviting your grandfather to eat together. See, a simple comma can change the meaning of a sentence. Okay? Next example. After dark, birds flew to their nests. Now, this sentence is little bit different. Okay, it is not making any sense, correct? But when you read it, it means that dark colored birds flew to their nests. See, after dark birds, so it meant dark colored birds. Okay, now place a comma after dark and read the sentence again. After dark, birds flew to their nests. Now, after placing a comma, the meaning is changed. It means the birds flew to their nests after dark. Okay? Next example. I need a brush pencil and an eraser. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests you need only two items, a brush pencil and an eraser. Now, add a comma after brush to the same sentence. Now, read the sentence again. I need a brush, pencil, and an eraser. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests you need three items, a brush, a pencil, and an eraser. See, in the above sentence, without a comma, it meant you need only two items, a brush pencil, and an eraser. But after placing a comma after brush, it meant you need three items, a brush, a pencil, and an eraser. Okay? You can see the difference. Okay? Next example, I bought mint chocolates and some fruits. So, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests that you bought mint flavored chocolates and some fruits. Now, place a comma after mint and read the sentence again. I bought mint, chocolates, and some fruits. Now, what does this sentence suggest after placing a comma? It suggests that you bought mint, chocolates, and some fruits. Okay? See the difference. By placing a comma, the meaning is changed. Okay? Next example. Come and eat my friends. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests that you're inviting someone to eat your friends, which is not true. Okay? So, now place a comma after come and eat and read the sentence again. Come and eat, my friends. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests that you are inviting your friends to eat. See, a simple comma can change the entire meaning of a sentence. The first sentence without a comma suggested humorously that you are inviting someone to eat your friends. Okay? And next sentence, after placing a comma after come and eat, it suggested that you're inviting your friends to eat. Okay? Next sentence, Before we packed, Mr. Jack, Mr. Dan, and Mr. Salt visited us. See, again, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests humorously that you packed Mr. Jack before Mr. Dan and Mr. Salt visited. Okay? Now let us place a comma after before we packed and read the sentence again. Before we packed, Mr. Jack, Mr. Dan, and Mr. Salt visited us. Now, what does this sentence suggest? It suggests that Mr. Jack, Mr. Dan, and Mr. Salt visited before you packed your belongings. Okay? See, comma is very, very important. Okay? It a simple comma, as I've told many times, it can change the entire meaning of a sentence. So be mindful and be you should be careful while placing a comma in a sentence. If you miss a comma in an appropriate places, then the whole meaning of a sentence will be changed and the wrong message will be sent out. Okay, so be careful while placing a comma. So this is it for now. Thank you everyone. Bye for now.